When an institution, a social organization takes over a public hospital, it usually manages everything under a contract, from the front desk all the way to the surgeon and the anesthesiologist who are in a particular operating room. And usually these facilities don't have classrooms or learning spaces, right? And a very common complaint was, how are we going to move these people to learn in physical spaces? Their performance evaluation will get worse, or they won't be confirmed in the position after 90 days. Yeah, the engagement and dedication to it is much lower. I need to be able to study when I want to study. And avoid making it mandatory. Of course it's mandatory, right? And as an organization, we have to require people to educate themselves, to get trained and to grow, but not necessarily at that specific time or place. So we had a very serious problem with some mobile teams that were never in just one place. Yeah, they perform activities at a different hospital each day. So how do you solve that? So the class model solved it significantly. Another point as well.
Did it change routine?
It changed the routine, making life much easier.
It brought the training closer to them.
Without a doubt, it added value and made it possible. I think that's the word, made it possible, right? We had a much harder time meeting our goals when that wasn't possible. Another point is precisely the ability to embed questions or assessments within the video itself, right? So the evolution of learning when within the same object, I have several interactions. For example, you're watching our video here and there's a question in the middle. That also makes things easier because it seems, and I don't have mapped data yet, but it seems that compared to classic models where I present the question afterward, this produces better performance and a higher quality of learning.